we get a lot of questions about how we apply wax, what products do we use, and the common question that we get is, do we use a spray wax or do we use a hand wax? Do we use a paste wax? How do we apply products to the surface of your RV? And so today I wanted to show you what we use and how we apply it. So what I use is a Makita cordless buffer. And you've seen in some of my other videos the different speeds that we use. When we're simply applying wax to a surface, whether it's a gel coat or it's an RV or if it's a vehicle, we never really work above about 2,000 to 2,500 RPMs. This particular buffer has what's called a free spin mode. Simply means that it's rotating, the head is going to be rotating singularly just in one direction, and it's mimicking the motion of your hand. And so it's a very low speed setting. We've done hundreds of vehicles, hundreds of RVs like this, and this is the safest, quickest, most economical way to apply wax to your vehicle. It's extremely safe. It's not going to hurt anything. So how I apply wax, and the product that we're using today is Chemical Guy's Top Coat. This is a sealant and Carnauba wax hybrid. What I love about it is that it applies very easily. It has wonderful protection, but then it also has gloss enhancers in it with Carnauba wax, which causes it to really shine. So when I apply wax, I simply just put like a little blob onto the pad. And then whenever I'm applying a wax, I kind of just spread it around the pad in a nice even layer. When you're working with a really large surface area like an RV like this, it doesn't have to be as precise as, say, a car with a lot of contours. So I've put it on there pretty thick, as you can tell. But then I just kind of work in a 2 foot or 3 foot by 3 foot section, kind of just dab the area. And then I'm gonna just set this to 2.5, which is about 2,500 RPMs. And I simply just spread it on nice and even. And there you go. So you can kind of see we've done this is about a 3 foot by 4 foot section, kind of a rectangle. But anyway, this travel trailer will be able to coat it pretty quickly. As you can see, it's a pretty quick way to apply wax. For something like this product, we typically, depending on the temperature outside, it's about 65 degrees out right now. This will take about 20 minutes to dry and to adhere to the RV and to bond really well with the fiberglass. And then we actually take it off by hand. So that's a little demonstration about how we wax an RV, what products that we use, and how we do it. So if you'd like to get this done to your RV, your camp trailer, or if you have a Class A diesel pusher, any kind of RV, we would love to do that for you. So if that's something you need done, give us a call today, or you can book online at limelightdetail.com, or give us a call at 208-391-3455.